Hi, this is Ben Dyson from Insurance Times at the Biba conference. I'm here with Adrian Colosso. Hi, Adrian. How's it going?
I'm doing great. I'm happy to be here. I'm having a lot of fun and seeing a lot of old people that I haven't seen for a very long time. They're all talking the same rubbish, though.
Fair enough. That sounds interesting. So you're now non-executive director of CityNet and chairman of iNet3. Just interested in what attracted you to those two non-executive roles there.
Actually, both companies are quite similar in their practice. You've got really going back to old core traditional values about client is king and delivering quality products in the most effective, efficient way and helping people sell. I mean, CityNet, for example, specialise in doing anything that's ugly and difficult, and iNet3 specialise in the non-standard household space, and they are so committed to making an underwriting profit that they're in a rather interesting position of balancing between selling, delivering this incredible service to the production base and making a profit for underwriters. And the people are just refreshingly, what's the word I'm looking for? I wouldn't say professional, because lots of people are professional, but their ethos and DNA is quite refreshing. And they're not London-based, where CityNet is old school wholesalers. iNet is an MGA based in Bury St Edmunds. They do a lot for the local community around there. And they've got some great things coming down the pipe. It's wonderful. It's like going back in time to people that care.
Okay, nice. Sounds good. I wanted to ask you as well. I would describe you as a veteran of the broking industry. We've seen a lot of change going on, a lot of people being bought, a lot of money coming in to try and buy stuff. I'm just interested in what you think of the dynamic there, and what you think of the changes that are going through the broking market at the moment.
Well, it's all happened before, it's a bit cyclical in some ways, but probably more so now with the regulatory regime that we all live under. And the cost of compliance and the margin squeeze. The only way to grow is to acquire or come up with products that nobody else has got, which is almost impossible. But frankly, I think it will continue. I think what people have got to get better at is integration. People don't put enough energy, in my opinion, into integration, having done it quite a few times myself. You have to be very clear about what happens on the day after you buy a business. And if there's any ugliness within that, it has to be done straight away. And then you can all move on. I think it will continue. I think that some will get rebranded, maybe one with a big T. It's fascinating, and it's also very interesting to see how some of those consolidators are divesting themselves of bits, because they're starting to get conflicted with their multi-channels, and that's always tough to manage, and it's not a very clear message to send. If you go back to iNet and CityNet, their message is very clear. CityNet, exclusively wholesale. iNet, exclusively MGA, delivering XYZ specialty products. That's it. It's the clarity of the message. But I think the consolidation will continue, and I think sadly what will happen is people will lose their jobs, because as technology starts to make even more impact, we're going to be buying stuff on our phones or on our watches. I mean, that's the way of the world now. I don't know if that answers your question, Ben.
No, absolutely it does. Yeah, and just one more quick one, really. You've moved from non-executive to executive roles before. Is there any chance that you're going to see that happening again?
No, I am not doing another executive job. I've got too many outside pursuits. My horses, my dogs, my grandchildren. I've got too many things to be doing. So I like to turn up, drop a grenade, and then leave.
Fair enough. Great stuff. Well, Adrian, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Have a great conference. Thank you.
You too.